guys, Mr. Gaming Parrot here. You know those annoying games. Agario to be exact. Well, it's back, in the form of worms. Or they could be snakes. Anyway, enough blabbering. We are gonna be playing Slither.io. Right, well, let's start. Wasn't it? Everyone tried way too hard, like I'm over here just chilling. I wanna get on the leaderboard. I think this is worse than Agario. He'll be back when I'm on the leaderboard. I'm absolutely gutted right now. I had been playing for a while with the camera off. The score on the leaderboards was 10,000. I was so close. It would be fantastic if you could like this video. Or subscribe. Even suggest more games for me to play in the comments. Bye for now.
Yeah, I'm Lee for the B. I'm for the top round dogs with me. If you don't